What am I doing? That's right, I'm modifying my welding cart. For what reason, you say? It needs beefed up. It's weak. It can only do 88 pounds of weight where the bottle would need to sit. So I'm beefing it up with, compared to these factory plastic rubber material, it has no bearing in it. So after time, it's going to wear out really quickly, and too much load will actually crack the inside. So bye bye plastic, rubber, hello ball bearing that's actually able to handle 600 pounds of weight. How I know it's 600 pounds, it specifies in the descriptions of specs. So 600 pounds per wheel can handle it. And yeah, I'm going to modify it. And I'm sorry if it's a little too loud. So, and I had to, and the only problem is I cannot use this factory rod that goes in between over there, because maybe I could, maybe I won't, just because it's a tight fitment, especially how much it actually is wider. And just by eyeing it, it's about 2.5 inches wide for the aftermarket ones I'm going to be using. And at factory, just by eyeing it, it's under 2 inches. So basically, it looks like inch and 3/4. So I got a lot of work to do to this to make it work, and especially this the rod that comes with it is the proper size and everything to fit in this, just like from the factory one. The only problem, the hardware store that I got this is a plated design. It does not fit in this fully. It's a slightly oversized, slightly. So I'm going to have to do is maybe trim this down a little bit, mill it down so it actually fits in this hole better. It fits in that pretty well with no issue. It's just it don't fit in these, especially the stock one. It's tight, so I'm not going to take a chance on that. So it does have a sleeve in here. I could probably take it out. I don't know if I can. I'll have to forceful try take it out. So let me go try, just as a idea. I'll be right back. Well, that's gonna not work. I tried and it does not want to budge, and I do not want to ruin it. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is and work with this a steel plated rod. I'm gonna cut it down in size and see what I can do. And right now this is about 15.25 inches long, and I need a slightly larger. Okay, let me get started.
Well, I think that'll work right now. Mark the outer part of the hollow part. Looking at me for this.
So I figure I'm gonna just trim it as it is to make it fit into the hub. So I'm just naturally just free spinning it to make it work. You see how far I need to go. It's very good. I'm gonna give a little more touch. Alright, just got done doing the wheels and the, shorten the shaft on it, and actually, yeah, shorten the shaft and plus making the shaft diameter a little bit smaller by using the grinder on it. Now I'm going to replace all the bolts and nuts that came on the welder itself, because if you can see, it's stripped, and I didn't put a lot of force on it either. Low grade metal screw and bolt. So I'm going to replace it with, I'm going to guess this is like a 3 grade, roughly 3 to 5 grade. This is a 10.8 to be exact, 10.8. That one don't say it. Online it just shows it's at, actually it says right there, a 10.9. A 10.9 grade material. And this one, oh, it says 48. So I'm going to say roughly a 4.8 grade material. 10, 4. I think I'll go with 10 because one, going to put a heavy duty tank on the back. So I don't want to stress these cheap things. It's already completely stripped out, falling apart, my cart and everything, and knocking it over, and especially with my upgrade wheels on it, so it'll make the thing more sturdier. So, and plus I got another nut for it because I don't think this is the right grade nut, and it goes in. I don't want to take a chance this stripping the two, so I got another quality 1 to 2, a 10 grade, with a nylon at the very end. So I will have a washer and a lock washer on it that came from the kit and everything, and I'm just upgrading it. That's all we had to do is upgrade stuff. And plus, this thing, this welding cart is only $40 from the hardware store. Is basically identical to Harbor Freight version, so all it looks like it's been rebadged. You could tell it looks exactly like a Harbor Freight wheel, everything on it. So, and I took a photo resemblance right next to each other, and identical. It's just been rebranded. So I'm going to upgrade now. Why not? It's so far $40 cart, $35 wheels, and a $10 shaft. That, yeah, it's so far it's on. It's about $110 for everything. 110. If you're trying to upgrade to like something that handle over 200, naturally you could be spending $250 to $400 range. They actually can handle 2 tanks. I'm only going to use only 1 tank. So this tank it probably is like a 100-pound tank or roughly. So I do not want to stress it. So I'm going to upgrade it. Follow me up. Now let this cool down a little bit. Now I have it coated with graphite lubrication, dry lubrication. I can show you. Basically, it's a dry lubrication. Naturally, it's not like a paint or anything. It's just a coating to give it some lubrication. It's dry, so you don't have to worry about stuff dripping everywhere. So just going to roughly put it. Naturally, it's already the shaft is already like designed to be coated already. So it's technically it's plated. one down, more to go. Nice. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Very cool. I finally got everything, every bolt's all in there. You can see, zoom in, 10.9 grade with nylon nuts and everything. Yeah, zoom out, come on. So, there we go. Yeah, you can see that the new wheel is on there. I drilled the hole and everything so I could put the pin and everything. Feels very solid. That's gonna have to do. All right, now I got it over here so I can put it right by my stand and everything. And hopefully this will work. And this tank is definitely heavy. For me, it's like a two-person's job, so. This is a big boy. Hopefully this, definitely heavy. Whew. Might have to pull a hernia on this crap. That's definitely like probably 80 pounds on this.
That's good.
I don't know if this do, but it looks like it's gonna be fine for now. I might put like another strap on it or something. Yeah, probably gonna see if I can finally get another strap, just in case. I don't want to be, I want to be safe and sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to, I might go find like buy a strap so I can strap it around here to keep it stable. But so far, it's definitely working with no problem. Let me know what you guys think. And now, alright, now I'm gonna put my TIG welder on it. Okay. And voila. What do you guys think now? Got my Eastwood TIG 200 digital. Stand and everything on it. It looks like it's solid. Don't really want to pull this from here at all. You always want to pull it from the cart and everything. Make sure it's not going to fall off. Especially this and that big boy. Yeah. So far it rolls. Pretty well. Decent. No binding issue, and it rolls really freely with this bad boy on the back tail. And these wheels are good for 600 pounds each, so I'm taking the word for it, and hopefully it works pretty well. I'm not going to, the string's always kind of freaking me out, so I might put some extra support on it so it doesn't like lean over or something. I want to be cautious and everything because it says non-flammable, but I don't want to take a chance of blowing up or something like that, especially this top piece. Well guys, that closed this video, and if you want more of this content, feel free. Basically like replacing stuff like that on like a welder, but just as a reference of my video contents to get me working on this car. I'm gonna be trying to modify, welding my exhaust, my parts and pieces I need to fix on to like the brackets for the car that comes naturally that I actually had to take off because I'm putting an intake on it, a custom intake, so I had to get out of the way. So I'm gonna knock things up and modify it to fix it just like a daily car. So but not a daily, it's gonna be my race car. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hope to get this car sorted. It's already springtime, and it's basically running that time for me. I'm like, it's April 24th or 5th or something like that as today, and there's a race event down to Columbus, and I did not go to because I need to get things done, and I hope the race event, feel sorry about it. It's IFO, it imports face off, so in Columbus. Yeah, I usually go to it every year. It's a decent race event, a lot of cars here and there. They have drag racing, car shows, sound deal and everything. So yeah, but I gotta get this stuff going before I can do a lot of stuff I want to do though too. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like this video, and plus my other ones if you can. So yep, and I don't know if you saw my table that I had to fix up. Yeah, this is my table right here that I I wire brushed the whole face and underneath because it's so rusty, and I need to get no rust at all. So I did, I don't know, like 2-3 hours at it, just grinding away with the big grinder. Yeah, I had to use this big boy. See how big my hand is comparisons. Yeah, it took a lot of, I coated a little bit penetrating oil to keep it from rusting though too. So hopefully you guys can give me some follows and subscribes, because I'm trying to get my channel to go much as I could. Like, it's a time consuming, trying to get parts, trying to get things done from going to work and having health issues here and there. It's a overwhelming exhaustion of everything. So thank you for watching. If you guys haven't seen my other ones, it means a lot. So thank you.